Tyler's Santa Claus stocking. There it is. Look at him. Hey, Kai? Did Santa Claus come last night? Didn't I go see your stocking, see if there's anything? See if Santa Claus put anything in your stocking?
Yeah.
Come on.
Go check.
No, go check the
Go
stocking
check your
first.
stockings. Come on, get down now.
And see if there's anything in the Christmas tree.
Be careful.
Be careful, okay? Come on. No, you go see the stocking.
Go see stockings.
Go. Right there. Did Santa Claus come? Oh, wow. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Does that mean Santa Claus came? Guy? Do you have present in the Christmas tree?
There's a big candy in the Christmas tree
Santa
too.
Claus came.
Oh, look. A big candy in the Christmas tree.
There's present in the Christmas tree too.
You want that?
Wow, Santa Claus.
Oh, you get it.
Go get it. Come on.
Let me help you. Oh, wow. Huh? Okay, get it. Get the whole thing. Oh, wow.
Wait, Santa Claus is nice.
Wow, Santa Claus. Open. Open. Come on, oops. Get
Wow.
Get him out. Pull all of them out. Oh, look at the fish. Look, where did you put the fish? Oh.
Wow, who gave it to you?
Nemo. Who gave it to you? Who gave it to you?
Santa Claus.
Open them. Get more. Get more. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Oh, you got that one.
Chocolate.
Santa Claus knows you want it.
Okay, what's next one? Look, what's that?
What is that?
What is that?
What is it? It's a sword.
There's a light in it. It lit up.
There's more.
Open more first. Go open the other gifts. See? See, you have a lot. Open more. There's a lot more in there. What's that? Oh, who's that? Who's in the book? Look, who's that?
Elmo book.
Okay, there's more in there. There's more in the stocking.
What else is in there?
Oh,
candy! You found it in the stocking!
oh, open more. There's a lot more in there.
What else are in there? Was it more candy, you think?
Come on. Wow, Santa Claus put a lot of stuff in there. Open it. Get it out. Here, let me hold it. Come on, pull it out. Oh, what's that?
It's a sticker!
Stickers, McQueen.
McQueen stickers!
Here, much more. A lot.
What is it?
What's that? Oh. Oh, I like it. You know what you do with this? Like this. You squeeze it. Okay, there's more in there. There's one more. Wow, it's a lot to give.
What is
who's
that? SpongeBob SquarePants. Wow, look at all this. Bigyan sa kanya yung Santa Claus namin.